Welcome to the second video. In this video, I'm gonna be answering why I choose only AWS to teach, and then there are other options as well and other famous options as well. For example, Google Cloud is there, Microsoft Azure is there. Why I choose AWS? So it's just really comes down to all of them are just really famous. So that's not a thing. Well, when I was learning, when I started, I thought I want to learn something that AWS is there for a long time now, right? They were one of the older people that first came into the cloud market, and opportunities are really huge when you have AWS certifications or even the skills, right? And also AWS occupies more than 30% of the market, so that is also a thing. Now, if you have for example, if you have the AWS knowledge, you can easily transfer that knowledge to cloud because the concepts are same. You just have to learn the way of doing is different. So you just have to learn how Google do it, the particular thing, how Microsoft do this particular thing, and rest of it is just basically the same. So that's why we are just learning AWS for now, and maybe the demand rises, we can in the future learn Microsoft Azure or the Google Cloud. So that's it for this one. I'll see you in the next one.